Hello and good morning. It's been a while. Today I wanted to start a new project called Supermarket Spree, and while I'm waiting for the review of the previous project Energy Hero. I decided to start a new project in this time. And this project will be close to the one before. This will be another WebGL project, and I hope that this project will take less time to develop. As you can see in here, from the view of this from my screen, I already designed some parts of the project, and I already put some placeholders as a reference. This project will be based on a supermarket area with shelves, and the task of the character will be to main task of the character will be to walk around, will be to work like a shopping clerk inside this game, and player needs to go within the player needed to go inside the shelves, and let's say this is the target area. There will be a balloon pops up above the shelf, and player goes there and fixes the prices of that shelf. That's basically the task player needed to accomplish, and when player goes there, player needed to make some calculations in order to find the correct solution for this part. And let's just start with this to-do list, because as you can see, the functionalities I've already created is that this joystick movements, I just copied these joystick movements directly from my previous project, and also the keyboard movement. Right now I'm moving with keyboard. This is also from the previous project. I do not use nav mesh in here. Actually, using nav mesh will be a good solution, but I decided not to use this nav mesh section. Also, I added some UI elements, as you can see over here, and in here this is the manager. This is the shopping manager, which wants you to the shopping manager smiling, and this is shopping manager having a question, and this talking balloon is set to the player that this task, what task should the player do in there. So let's continue with this to-do list, and character element placement, create customers. Character element placement. I do not understand what did I try to mean by that, but first things first, I just wanted to change the color of these shells a little. Let's set them gray. Okay, this one is better. Also I should do talk balloon and manager. Let's go to the shelves and set them gray again. So I think I can start by add some language, or okay, let's just start by implementing this language file, JSON language file. Let's start with here. So what I'm going to do is to first save this, and this is the main scene, and let's just rename this as scenes. Let's find this streaming assets, and this is my language file, and there is the initial. Let's just copy this start scene to here. I do not want this camera, I do not want this, and let's file, build settings. In order these two scenes to work, both of them should be inside main menu. Couldn't be loaded. Loader. This is my load scene and main scene. Okay, looking good. Also, let's just add this. Let's just start with this talk balloon. Add components and load text field, or this one. Instance get text. Load text value. This is my text field. Let's remove this component. Also, I wanted to add a new button. Button UI. Button. Where are you? Button. Here you are. Not under text, but over here. 200 and no, 50, 80. And let's place the button around here. Let's change the color to greenish something. It doesn't matter actually right now. Next button. Set this bold size. This is just an ugly button. Next. Really ugly. Welcome. Next. There are two event systems. Okay, let's just fix this. Get player activity. Game is ready, but load is not working. Let's find my canvas. This is my talk balloon. This is my next button. Next button. Text field. If is welcome screen. If not, is welcome screen. Let's just do this. It says there is no welcome text. So where is my language JSON? Get text, display text with animation. Let's retry again. See if it's working. But object reference in here. Load manager instance. Get text. Get text. Get text. Pull on. Okay. Load text value is here. How about this one? And let's find it. Okay, I do not understand what was wrong in here, so I just wanted to check my previous JSON file just to speed up things. Streaming assets, and this is the language file. Okay, but I do not look for. I'm looking for this thing. Okay, perfect. Okay, how about this? I just wanted to check this. This should not be energy robot supermarket free, and this should be my language file. So let's try again. Here I needed to. Okay, here we are. Supermarket spray handling load mock data, handle question, the language definitions, and this is my loader. Handle start game, loader, instance game is ready. Example of accessing language strings. Use language to populate UI. Okay, let's just try in here. Public void get text. Get text. This should return a string. Return does not exist in current. Let's make depth string handle language definitions. Okay, this is called in awake. Received data, expected data. This is just in awake. How about doing this from here to here and let's make it global inside this. Return get text. It's also loader find objects of type loader get text. Welcome. Okay, right now this is working. This looks like working. And welcome to the supermarket spree. Welcome to the supermarket spree. Good, looking good. And 36 is welcome to the supermarket spree. When I press next button, okay. There is still a null reference in here. Loader speak text. Let's also copy this inside the loader and speak text. Another null reference. Okay, what is the reason? What is the reason for this thing? Not ready to play, but let's say welcome. Again, a null reference. Log X key. Let's see that's what is the null reference in here. Okay, this thing is called load text field. Is called twice. Welcome is called twice. Why does this thing is called twice? Log text. Okay, I have only one reference over here. Okay, why this line is called twice? The text animation is called in here. Loader get text. Download this thing and try again. Okay, right now it's working. And I pressed play button. Welcome to the supermarket spree. But pressing next button does nothing. So let's add some functionality over there also. This is my canvas, stalking balloon. This is my next button. This is the callback function. To next button assignment. Callback function. Assignment. Wait, load. Next field. Next field, let's say that next field will be ready to play. Next, welcome to the supermarket spree. Next, welcome to the supermarket spree. Welcome to the supermarket spree. So, set this to ready to play. This turns into ready to play, but animation. Why does it stuck with this language? Ready to play, okay. Loader get text should be. Here is the problem. Are you ready to play? Are you ready to play? This is looking good. This is looking promising. So let's add some chapter 1 text. Chapter 1 welcome text as you was to change the labels and tell the customers to finish the shelves. Chapter 1 task 1 apples price changed. They now cost 40% off $10. $10 change the tag and tell the customers about the sale to finish the stock on the shelves. Then chapter 1 question 1. What will be the new price? 0.4 equals. This is where the question. Chapter 1 question 1 positive feedback. Great. Since you changed the price, please tell the customers about the sale in order to finish the shelf. And there will be another one, chapter 1 question negative feedback. Negative feedback, and let's say this it's just not correct. Will you try it again? Please try it again. Please try it again. Okay. Let's add the object in this scene as managers. Reset, create empty child and chapter 1 manager, and add a script in here, chapter 1 manager. And this thing should be aware of where is this, the load text fields. Load text field. If load text field is null, find object of type load text field. Then I find the load text field in here. Let's just do this in awake function. Let's move this into the awake. And for the start functionality, where are you? This is my loader, whatever. And load text field here. Display text with animation. Let's just display text with animation. For the start, let's just display text with animation with welcome. And load load intro text. Load intro text. I'm not really sure that I hold this from this chapter 1 manager, but it feels like this should be the correct use case as load intro text, or just write it chapter 1 intro text field, and let's continue like this. Text field, intro text field, and this guy should be the chapter 1 text. Load chapter 1 task 1. Load chapter 1 task 1. For the welcome section, it just dive into load chapter 1 intro text. Intro text field, chapter 1 welcome text will be loaded and it will be displayed. Then chapter 1 task 1 should be loaded. Do next button assignments. No, do next, next, no, not here, but next button assignments. Okay, let's just public void load welcome text and set the load text value as load welcome text. Set this to welcome. Delete load text and make the do next button assignments as like this one. And when I press the next button, this section will be applied. Then next button assignments with this. Then when the chapter 1 task is loaded, the next button assignment as disable walking balloon, which means it's no load text field, no, not that image, but what else I can do? Text Mesh Pro, text field, okay, text field enabled equals false, and this get component image enabled false. Double talking balloon, boolean, set this to boolean, balloon as false, or just set this as disable talking balloon. Let's try this and let's see what does it look like right now. Right on the supermarket speak, and I'll just change the next. There now. Okay. When I press next and next button, set active false. Blah 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 blah. And enabled. This text looks too much. Action. Blah 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 blah. Please change the task 1 action. Load text field. Intro text field. Task 1 action. Task 1 action. Then when the next button is played, something is wrong. This is not chapter 1 task 1 but chapter 1 task 1 action. But this next button does not disabled in between the texts. Motion will be enabled when the player goes there. The on trigger enter action will be called. Okay, this is looking good. So for the to-do list, JSON language file is created. This is also done. Integrate questions inside talking about create customers. For the next session, I need to disable movement. Okay, first thing first, and after the first problem is next button does not disabled between the text below, and for the next problem, or the next thing to do after first question introduction text is implemented, text is finished, or just let's say it's after the intro text is finished, on trigger enter should be available for interaction between player and shelf. After the interaction is done, movement should be disabled till the correct answer is provided. Yes, so far so good. And also the players, also the customers should be created, then the customer interaction. After correct answer is provided, customer action should be started. So let's finish for today, and today was a good day, and this is the second day. Today is the second day, actually the first day. I can say this is the first day of this new WebGL game, Supermarket Spree, and let's see that if this game will take around 70 days like the previous one, but this is only the second day, and I hope to finish this game earlier than the previous one. So thank you for watching till now, and hope to see you on tomorrow morning. Bye.